Agile methodology is a flexible way of managing projects through short, iterative cycles. Instead of following a fixed plan, Agile teams adapt continuously, delivering value early and often. It's based on 4 key values: people over processes, working solutions over documentation, collaboration over contracts, and change over strict plans. At the heart of Agile are 12 guiding principles like delivering usable work frequently, embracing change, and building motivated, self-organizing teams. There are different Agile frameworks to choose from. Scrum breaks work into sprints and uses daily check-ins. Kanban focuses on visualizing tasks. Lean cuts out anything that doesn't add value. And extreme programming boosts software quality through fast feedback and continuous testing. Agile isn't just for software. Marketing teams run campaigns in sprints. Event planners adjust to changes on the fly. Even product development teams use Agile to test prototypes early and refine quickly. To implement Agile, pick the right framework, define roles like product owner and Scrum Master, plan sprints, gather feedback regularly, and track progress using metrics like velocity and burn-down charts. Wrike makes Agile easy with templates, Kanban boards, cross-tagging, and real-time dashboards to track your team's progress. Try Wrike for free and check out the full article to explore all 12 Agile principles and how to apply them to any project. All links are in the description.